My name is Joseph Numpledgy with Niche, and in this video, we're going to review the renewal process for your membership in 2022. We're going to be going over the membership types of individual associate member, Fintech, and government nonprofit charities. In addition to renewing, we're also going to review how to update your contact information, and we'll discuss extending your membership benefits to your organization. If at any point you have any questions or need any assistance, you can email membership@niche.org or call us at 781-321-1011. So to renew your membership, the first thing we're going to do is visit niche.org. At the top of the page, we're going to click on Member Login, and then we're going to enter in our email address and password to log into your account. If you forget your password, you have the option to click on Forgot Password, and an email will be sent to you to reset your login. Once you've logged into the portal, you can click on My Profile at the top of the page. Then inside of My Profile, you can click on the link to join Renew New England Automated Clearinghouse. Here you'll be brought to a page where you can select your membership type. Click on Continue. You can verify the membership type that you've selected. Click on Continue again. Then you can enter in your payment information. And the rest of the process is typical of a standard checkout process in a web app. I'm going to go ahead and cancel the order and return back to my profile. Once you've renewed your profile, if you'd like to update your contact information, you can click on Edit My Information. And here you can update your demographics, name, address, phone number, email address, and so on. Once you've made all of the changes, click on Save at the bottom, and that will return you back to your membership. That's it. That's how you renew and update your contact info. There are additional options available to you if you're part of an organization that has multiple employees and you want to extend your membership benefits to those employees. Please give us a call or email us and ask us about upgrading to one of our group membership options. You can reach us at membership@niche.org or call us at 781-321-1011.